We go behind the scenes of Samsonite today. Hey, hello and welcome to a new travel video. My name is Herr Buddha and I'm so happy that you clicked on this video. Today in Belgium, today we are going to Samsonite. Samsonite is making really quality travel luggages, and they test it extremely for all conditions on the plane because they throw it on the plane sometimes. It's not the whole family, we're just with three. It's my oldest daughter and my son that's coming with me to the behind the scene of Samsonite. Test it, stand on it. Let's go. Nee. Man. How cool was that? Very cool. It was cool, eh?
Yeah.
Yes. And the quality is amazing. The things that they do to test these luggages,
Yeah.
it's really amazing. And our luggages are really broken. The wheels are gone. They don't roll anymore. It's like every time. It's true, isn't it? It's like that. It's like, oh, we're going to reuse them, and then completely
Maybe
true.
buy new ones next year.
Next year we go buy new ones. Then, oh, we didn't buy new ones. It's every year the same thing. We always reuse them. It's amazing. But after seeing this factory, yeah, maybe buy some Samsonite because the quality is amazing.
Yeah.
And yeah, maybe we'll do that. It's
And
not
they're
finished.
recycled.
And they are recycled. Very, very nice point.
Just like
Yes. From yogurt pots, yogurt containers, that's the word. From yogurt containers and plastic bottles, and yes, that's cool. And they're really light, so you can bring more clothes.
That's a good point, Dan.
Yes.